So, hello, 604, 607 and 610. I am very happy to welcome you on my YouTube channel. And I am starting today to give you lessons on the internet, on YouTube. Okay, so I thought it would be convenient, and you could also hear my voice and repeat after me all the words we are going to learn. So I thought it would be interesting for you to listen to me, okay, and to see me while you speak in English. So I hope every one of you is okay and fine at home, of course, not too bored, especially for those who live in flats. So I'm thinking of you all, okay? So today I want to start with the frequency adverbs, adverbes de fréquence. And we are going to go on studying présent simple. So please, you take your copybooks, and before writing a few things about the adverbs, I want you to write down the date. So you know the date, you know the question we ask every day we see one another. What day is it today? Okay. And we know that today is Wednesday, the 1st of April. Okay, so in England, it is a special day as it is in France. In France, 1er Avril, of course. And in England, they call it April Fool's Day. Okay. It is a bit different in England, because in England, they wear a red nose on their nose, okay, and they play tricks and jokes on people around them, on their friends, okay. In France, we stick paper fishes, and I'm sure you have stuck a paper fish in your parents' bags, okay. All right. So after the date, Wednesday the 1st of April, we want to know, maybe we want to answer the question, how are you? As we usually ask every time we see one another in the class. Okay, so how are you today? You can write it down, please. You can write, I'm okay, I'm fine, or I'm sad, or I'm tired, etc. Okay, you can write down your feelings, really, today. And also we can talk about the weather. What's the weather like today? Remember the question? As far as I'm concerned, in Hemia today, it's at the moment I'm talking to you, it's raining cats and dogs. Okay, so the title for your lesson, you can take your red pen, please, and write in your copybooks the title for your lesson. This is it. Frequency. How often do you? Okay, frequency. How often do you? Okay, so we're going to talk about the activities we do every day, and for that we need adverbs. Okay, we need 5 adverbs. We need never, always, often, sometimes, rarely. Okay. So I'm going to show you. You can write them down as well, please, in your copybook when you see them written down here. Never, okay, of course, means jamais. Always, yes, of course, toujours. Often, souvent. In England, some people say often, they do not pronounce the T, and some people say often. So I thought it would be easier for you to say often, so we say often, okay? Often, souvent, yes. Sometimes. Now, be careful, sometimes there's an S in the end. I think many times pupils forget it, okay? So sometimes with an S in the end. Can you see it? Yes, sometimes. Parfois. And the last one is rarely. Rarely. Have you guessed the meaning? What's the French for rarely? Do you know? Yes? Rarement, all right? Okay. So we're going to pronounce them and repeat them, okay? Just repeat after me, please. Never, never, always, always, often, often, sometimes, sometimes, rarely, rarely. Okay, so look at them for the last time. Rarely, rarely. Sometimes, sometimes. Often, often. Always, always. And never, never. Okay, so what I want you to do for the next time we see each other or one another, if there are a lot of you listening to me, I want you to learn these 5 adverbs by heart, okay? Learn them very well, pronounce them, and then the next time I see you, I give you 10 or 15 activities that you do every day and which are going to be very useful for us to talk about frequency, la fréquence, okay? All right, see you, bye, have a nice day, see you next time. Okay, bye, and stay safe.